Ever found yourself with a bunch of assets with the origins all in the wrong places? Ever had to just manually go through each of them, fiddling around with snapping and alignments? Bloody hell. Maybe it is time to turn aside and give a glance to the magnificent Origin Aligner, an add-on found in the Objects Transform panel. Choices that result in surprising depth. Click the Align Origin button to align the origin of every object you have selected, snapping the origin to the side of the mesh you want. The Origin Aligner Smart Center variant even takes the context of where the mesh is on that given side. Useful anytime the base of an object doesn't line up with its bounce center. But we're getting ahead of ourselves, so let's just tune a little backwards, shall we? Alignment chooses which side of the object the origin should snap to. Bottom to the bottom, front to the front. I think you got the idea. The grid option snaps the object's origin to the closest point on the grid. The Center First tick box just tells the add-on to center the object's origin before aligning it, so it'll align to the middle of the base instead of just snapping to its base. Align Origin can also align objects to a face. Select whatever objects you want to align, and last, select the object containing the face you want to align them to. Go to Edit mode, select the face, and click Align to Face. The origin of the object will align itself to the center of the selected face. Yeah, pretty cool, right? The final feature of Origin Aligner, the Smart Center version, is improved origin placement. It analyzes the mesh on the selected side and centers the object based on its geometry. For example, with a wall-mounted light fixture, it aligns the origin with the geometry of the arm's end, while the standard version would just snap to its center. This ensures more natural and precise placements in a way that it just makes sense for the given context, you get it? Especially when dealing with complex or asymmetrical objects. Asymmetrical! Get away from me! Unless I have Origin Aligner, then come! Come to me, come! Clean up the mess of misplaced origins. Ground yourself for all and for once. Give Origin Aligner a spin and find your way out of your capricious centrical conundrum. Pretty cool, right? Origin Aligner comes to your toolbox to save the day from evil, non-standard and strange default settings of Blender. Really the best tool is just to be able to center to bottom. That's really incredible. Or maybe to top if you want to attach things to the ceiling. Or to the left or to the right because you want to put it to a wall. I mean, all the possibilities give you so much flexibility that you otherwise lack in precision.